Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected viewers, you are all highly welcome to these amazing lessons. This is the first lesson on this journey of ours. If you are just joining us for the first time, kindly share and subscribe. So, is it subscribe now? Okay, follow now. Follow. Just help us follow and share the page. Understand, ba? So that you too you will tap from the reward. Understand? Because if you share to anybody and the person tap from it, you have a reward. So this video is going to be all about knowing Arabic alphabet. As I've said, that is just the foundation. Understand? So you are going to follow us gradually as we drop those videos, because we don't really have enough resources like that. But inshallah, we are going to make use of the little in our is it capability now. How what the little in what? Anyway, let's go. So in Arabic, ko, just like in English, I think in English now there are 26 alphabet, if I'm not mistaken, from A to Z. Is it Z now? Abi Z? How do you put? During our time, it is Z. They used to call A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, those are the songs that we used to sing now. Those days to know ABC. Understand, ba? Now, you hear A for apple, B for apple, D for cattle, like that. But in Arabic, we have 29 alphabets. Each of these alphabets, they have their point where they are being pronounced. Understand? There are none that except Hamza, Alif, naturally they used to group them. Understand? Some text they group them as one alphabet. Understand? But they both have the way they are being used. Understand? So if you keep following us, you are going to see, aside from these two alphabet, Alif, this alphabet Alif and Hamza. Understand? They are grouped together. All in total, there are 29 alphabet in Arabic, and here are the alphabets. So let's try to read, understand now to you now, the way it is naturally without attaching anything. Understand, our previous where we did madrasa before, there are some that used to read alifun, baun, taun. Some scholars say that this is not the original name of those alphabets. For example, now in English, we have A. If you now say that you want to read A O, B O, T O, if you are asked to spell now, if you are asked to spell English, for example, you don't say E O, N O, G O, you will spell it E N. Understand? So that is how it's supposed to be. You get it now. So this is going to be strictly the way we are supposed to pronounce it. Now let's go. Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jim, 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 Ha, Ha, Kha, Kha, Dal, 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 Ra, Ra, Za, Za, Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin, Sod, Sod, Bod, Bod, Ta, Ta, ظا ظا عين عين غين غين فا فا قاف قاف كاف كاف لام لام ميم ميم نون نون ها ها واو واو همزة همزة يا يا نعم. These are the 29 alphabet in Arabic. So the work that you have now is for you to keep to practice it and learn it. So this is the first lesson. Understand? And also remember that without practicing these alphabets, to know the difference and where they were being pronounced, is it point of articulation? Is it point of how do you call makharij al-huruf in Arabic? I'm sorry, in English. Where huruf is it point of I don't know, as in where it is being pronounced. Understand? For example, now alif, 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 ba, 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 ta, ah, your tongue, tip of your tongue up here. Ta, ta, tha, tha. Understand? If you're pronouncing tha now, I now say s. You know, if you say s, it's not the same. You get it now?
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال را زا سين شين صاد ضاد ضا ظا عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها ويا. Now I know my ألف باء تاء. Tell me what you think of